Welcome to the eSIM Studios YouTube channel where we cover everything technology. Make sure you subscribe for all the latest tech news and reviews and hit the like button if you're enjoying the content. Let's go. What is going on, eSIM Studios? You know what time it is. Whenever I bust the camera out or whenever I start the video out and it's night outside, it's time to test the night sight on the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So every now and then, every few months, I like to test the night sight on the Google Pixel. It's a very underrated feature not many people use. There's really not many videos on YouTube about it, but I do it every few months, and we're going to turn this off here in just a second, but I do it every couple of months, maybe every 3 or 4 months, to see if there's any improvement, because as time goes on, Google updates the software, Google updates the camera app, and it should get fine-tuned over time, right? So let me get to the street where there's a couple of street lights. Let me exit the neighborhood, get to the street lights. I'll turn that off, and then you'll really be able to see what it looks like in dark mode, night mode, whatever. Now I do have speech enhancement on. I am shooting in 4K resolution. I am shooting in 60 frames per second, which is nice because on previous Pixels, I believe in video boost mode, they only let you record in, I think 1080, excuse me, video boost mode, they only let you record in 4K. Now the full gamut is available for video boost mode and night sight. Well, actually, video boost is still 4K, but night sight you can shoot in 1080p. Night sight video you can shoot in 4K. Night sight video you can also shoot in 8K, which I don't know why anybody would. Nobody even has an 8K monitor, but whatever. But you also have 24, 30, and 60 frames per second available. You also have HDR plus option available to turn on or off. And you can also toggle on or off the speech enhancement feature, which is nice. So let's go ahead and turn this off, and we shall see what it looks like in the dock. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Now, let me move this visor up so we can get some ambient light. It needs some ambient light, right? It's like the night vision goggles. They don't work when it's pitch black. You got to have something. Even moonlight is sufficient for night vision goggles and or night sight, which there is it's about a third of a moon tonight, which would be okay if I were walking about outside at night. But when you're driving around in a car, whatever setting that you're using the night sight, these street lights that are passing me work just fine. The moon outside works just fine. But again, if it's pitch black, it's not working. So now we're in a pretty dark area. No street lights in this little stretch, so it may be hard to view. But I will try to put the two videos side by side for you so you can get a good view of the difference. And look, it's not going to automatically turn your setting. It's not automatically going to turn you into like your environment into daytime, right? In the original at nighttime. It won't do that, but it just increases the focus and or a little bit of light on the focus, on the subject in focus. So it's unfortunate that Samsung doesn't have this feature yet. It's unfortunate that even Apple doesn't have this feature yet, although most people don't use it. Now, there's a couple of downsides that nobody really talks about. One of the things I don't like about video boost mode, which is typically taken during the day, and just basically it's the opposite of the night sight. Night sight gives you a little more light when recording video at night, obviously. Video boost mode is it boosts colors, during the day. It makes everything look like real vivid and colorful, and it's a pretty cool feature as well. Now, they cap the video recording at 10 minutes. So if you want to record a movie, you're going to be shit out of luck. Or you can shoot in 10-minute increments, all right? 10-minute clips, or I guess 9-minute, 58-second clips. But they do cap it at 10 minutes. I have put that to the test. It was only 10 minutes on video boost mode and night vision for the Pixel 9 series, and now for the Pixel 10 series. I don't know what it was capped at on the Pixel 8 series. I never hit the limit, but 10 minutes for Pixel 10 Pro. But let's see what everything looks like now that I'm about to jump on the highway real quick. I'm going to turn this light back on so you can see the difference as well. There's that. Now let me turn it off. There's that. So, and that's why probably Apple and Samsung have not chosen to add this feature to their devices, because just not that many people use it. Now, the other thing I don't like about it is that it's hard to pull. It's not necessarily hard. Like, look, you can view, it's not hard. So let's say after you're done shooting and you want to go pull your video. Well, it takes forever. Now, when you shoot video boost mode during the day or night side video, it takes hours on hours on hours for to process that, right? It'll tell you it's processing, and it could take 4 to 5 hours. I had one video that took 8 hours. It just takes a while, so that's why you shoot it, you forget about it, and you come back to it the next day. If you're in a rush, don't use video boost mode and or night sight video. Don't do it if you're in a rush. Now, on the other hand, pulling that info, so it's going to be stored in Google Photos. So you have to go to your Google Photos app, and it'll give you two copies, a quote-unquote main copy and a quote-unquote cover copy. They'll give you a cover and a main. The main is going to be your boosted one. The main is going to be the night sight final product and or the video boosted. The cover cover video is going to be the original video, not in video boost mode or not in video night sight. So you'll get two copies. You'll be able to see them right there in your photos. And now you can download. I don't recommend messing with the file on your phone. Go to a desktop, go to a laptop, go to a PC, log into Google Photos, and they'll let you download one of those videos, either the main video and or aka boosted video, or they'll let you download the cover video. Now you can download those individually, or one at a time. Like if you just want to download the boosted video, you can download that, or you can download both of them at the same time as well. One's labeled main, one's labeled cover, and then you can put them side by side and or include them in a video. Most people are not. They're just going to take the boosted video, but I'll pull both and put them side by side so you can see the difference. But it's a pretty cool feature. It's one of my favorite features. I just don't ever shoot in it that often. But that is that. As we get to my final destination, I know I'm rolling up on about 10 minutes, so it does suck it's kept at 10 minutes, and it does suck it takes about 10 hours to freaking process these videos. And here's the other thing. So when you shoot in video boost mode, you can't automatically go back to boost mode. So if you shoot in video boost mode and or night sight, and then let's say you close out the app and then you jump on a calculator, or you jump on American Airlines app to buy a flight on your vacation, and then let's say like an hour or two later you want to shoot in video boost mode again. When you open up your camera app on the Pixel, it does not default back onto the video boost mode. You will always